Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making a beautiful circled night dress. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. The first step is to fold my fabric in a bias form. My shoulder measurement is 8 inches. I'll just mark 8 inches using my straight ruler. I'll go ahead and mark 8 inches and make a line. Then from this point, I will measure 33 inches. I'll take it round. Then I'll mark 9 inches for my armhole. Then I'll as well mark the 8 inches of my shoulder measurement. Then I'll go ahead and mark my bust measurement divided by 4. I'll take the bust measurement down to M line. It's only the bust measurement that I need. From there, I will measure out for the neckline. I will mark 7 inches by 3 inches. And I will go ahead and cover the neckline. Then I'll go ahead and cut it out. Now I've placed it on another fabric to cut out the second pieces. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. Go ahead and cut out the neckline. For this side, because it's a sleeveless top, I want the wideness to be 2.5 inches. Okay, so I'll go ahead and trim off. The front and the back will be the same size. So this is for both the front and the back pieces. Now for the shorts, I'm cutting the length of 19 inches. Okay, I'll use 2 inches for the down folding and 2 inches because it will have elastic band, and I'll use 2 inches to fold it at the upper side. So the main length of the short will be 15 inches. Okay, so I'll go ahead and mark 19 inches here. Then I'll go ahead and join the lines together. Then I'll go ahead and cut it out. Now for the width, The width is 12 inches on fold, that is 24 inches. Okay, 24 inches. So what I'll do here, I'll go ahead and mark 10 inches here. From these 10 inches, I'll have to come in by 1 inch. I just have to curve it like so. Okay. Then I'll cut it out. Okay. So I'll go ahead and open it. You can see that this is the simplest way to achieve your nightwear pant. Okay. What I'll do, just close it up here. Okay. Hem the down parts, the same thing to this side, and fold in 1 inch for the elastic space, leaving this place open. Okay. After inserting our elastic band, then I'll go ahead and close it. Okay, so we are done with the short. This is for the pants. For the top, I'll just have to fold in the neckline. Okay, round. The same thing to the two sides of the armhole, both for front and back neckline and the armhole. Okay. After folding it, the next thing is to place the right side facing each other. I'll join the shoulder, then hem the down part. It's very simple and easy to achieve. So I'll go now, fold in the neckline, the armhole, then join at the shoulder. Okay, I'll show you the picture before I hem the down part. So guys, I've actually used my bias tape to tape the neckline, the sleeve side, you can see. Then I close it up at the shoulder. Now as well hem the down part, you can see. So the last thing to do is to close up the two sides. Using half an inch, I'll use half an inch to close up the two sides. Now for the pants, you can see I've joined it. I've sewn through this place down, okay, and I close up this other side, leaving the space for my elastic. So I'll go ahead and insert my elastic, then fold in the down part. After which I will show you. You can see I've already sewn casing for the elastic band. I've sewn the casing with black fabric. Okay, so I'll go ahead and insert my elastic band, after which I will show you the final picture of how it looks. So after inserting the elastic, I will go ahead and close it up at this edge. I'll close it up like so, then fold in the down part. Then I'll show you the final picture of how it looks. So after making it, this is how it looks. You can see I went ahead to print the design here. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, keep watching for more styles.